In this video on how to heal your psoriasis, I'm giving you another set of brilliant tools that you can use to fast track the recovery of your healing of the psoriasis on your skin. As you know, hydration is a very important part, but I found a huge amount of people are lucky to drink 1 or 2 glasses of water per day because they don't see it as pleasant. Whereas when you make it into a tea like I'm going to show you now, you're not only getting brilliant hydration for your 75 trillion cells, but you're also getting vitamin C, you're getting chlorophyll, you're getting phytonutrients, which means plants and nutrition, all powerful stuff. So in this particular tea, you use this is homegrown, organic, you use 2 kaffir lime trees or leaves, or 2 lemon leaves, or 2 lime leaves. That's the 2 green. Can you see how green that is? That has got chlorophyll in it, which is excellent for your blood. That's the first thing you put in. The second thing you put in is the turmeric, right? The turmeric. This is a very high quality turmeric. So you put 1 sachet of that. Turmeric is a very strong anti-inflammatory, and it's also excellent for joint pain, all right? And for that matter, it helps your skin. The last but not least, you put in green tea, pure green tea. Very important to add that in, because the green tea is the premier way to use tea. As you know, when you let the green leaves grow further, that's when you get your black tea. That's a different tea altogether. The green tea are the first 3 leaves they picked to make the green tea. This is a very, very strong antioxidant. So is the turmeric, and so is the lime, kaffir, or lemon leaves. Now, same thing, same procedure. When you put that in a teapot, boiling water on top, infuse 7 to 8 minutes, pour the water, the liquid, which is brewed, into a teacup, add your honey, stir it together, squeeze 1 lime or 1 lemon in it, and you enjoy it. That is a very powerful combination of antioxidants, which is going to reduce the damage caused by free radicals that you're currently having to your wrong food or wrong type of liquid. Thank you for listening.